things like you own the place.
I'm asking to see my children.
Your daughter has marks on her body and you expect us to just ignore it? Families like yours always have an excuse.
What exactly do you mean by that?
I mean, we've seen this before. Defensive, confrontation.
This case was deeply unsettling, a stark example of how prejudice, unchecked authority, and systemic failures can converge to threaten the safety and integrity of a family that had done nothing wrong. What began as an ordinary morning at Maplewood Elementary, a place meant to educate, nurture, and protect children, quickly descended into chaos, exposing the dangerous assumptions and overreach of those in positions of power. A mother, whose only wish was to ensure her children were safe, found herself obstructed at every turn. A small bruise on a 7-year-old girl's knee, a bruise from a simple bicycle fall, treated and cared for at home, was inflated into a claim of imminent danger. The school principal, operating with a sense of entitlement and unquestioned authority, bypassed all protocols, ignored the input of the school nurse, and interrogated 2 young children in closed offices without parental notification, legal counsel, or even a neutral observer present. These actions, deliberate and aggressive, were fueled not by concern for the children, but by bias and the belief that some families of color, were inherently suspect. Child Protective Services, normally a protective institution, was manipulated into enforcing a false narrative. A back-channel communication through a family member, undisclosed conflicts of interest, and rapid deployment of caseworkers created the illusion of an emergency where none existed. Every procedure designed to ensure fairness, transparency, and the safety of children was bypassed. And yet, standing at the center of this storm was a mother who was not just any parent. She was a federal judge, steeped in the law, familiar with civil rights, and entirely capable of recognizing the abuse of power when it occurred. She knew exactly how the system worked, how it could be weaponized, and she refused to be intimidated or silenced. What followed was both a confrontation and a revelation. The attempts to remove her children unraveled.